Are you tired of waiting for price to mitigate your point of interest so you can trade with overall trend? This is one thing that gets traders so frustrated because they don't know how to counter trend. And in this video today, I'm going to share with you how you'll be able to take a buy when the overall trend is sell and take a sell when the overall trend is a buy. And we're going to be using gold as a point of reference for this analysis. The first thing I do is to understand the overall market structure on the daily time frame, whether it's bullish or bearish. And as you can see right here, the overall market structure is bullish and the counter trend is a sell. Now the next thing I do is to go to the 4-hour time frame to derive my overall low, overall high. And right here, this is equilibrium. So if I'm looking for a sell, I'm anticipating for price to drop into equilibrium going into the discount position. And now right here at the extreme premium zone, what I'm looking for is for a break of structure on the 4-hour time frame. And right here you can see on the 4-hour time frame we broke structure. After we broke structure, right here was the last up close candle before dropping to break that structure. So I'm anticipating to see price mitigate that key level, and then I'll be looking for a 15-minute shift of market structure to the downside. And take note, that key level also needs to be at an extreme level. So if it's a buy, I'm looking for that counter trend at an extreme discount. In this case, this is a sell, so I'm looking for counter trend opportunities at an extreme premium zone. So right here, you can see after we mitigated that last up close candle, I wanted to see a 15-minute shift of market structure, and right here we created a low, created a high, broke structure. Now right here is my stop loss. I'm using this fair value gap as an entry, and the reason I'm using here is because this is a high resistance liquidity. High resistance liquidity is what I always use for my stop loss zones, and low resistance liquidity is for take profit position. Now I'm using here as entry, and as you can see, price beautifully mitigated that position, went straight to the sell side liquidity, delivered the 1:3.84. And after that, the next entry, I'm waiting for a 5-minute shift of market structure from this key level after a run on buy side liquidity. And right here, you can see this is the buy side liquidity. After price took that liquidity, I wanted to see a 5-minute shift. And right here, we'll have a low, we'll have a high, break of structure. I'm using this fair value gap as an entry. And right here, stop loss, because right here, we've created a high resistance liquidity as well. And you can see how nice the price mitigated that fair value gap and then dropped straight to the sell side liquidity, running the take profit, delivering a 1:2.4 risk to reward ratio. So if you found this insightful, give it a thumbs up or follow me for more. I'll see you in the next one.